The VR landscape as you know it is about to vanish. For the past few years, the mainstream tech world has looked at virtual reality as a novel playground, a niche gaming hobby, or a corporate experiment that didn't quite land. But behind closed doors, a massive, quiet shift has been happening. Meta has been pouring billions of dollars into a project designed not just to update the Quest lineup, but to completely replace your smartphone, your laptop, and how you interact with reality itself. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. This is the Meta Quest 4, and the leaked specifications, internal roadmaps, and industry whispers suggest that Mark Zuckerberg is about to pull off the biggest tech ambush of the decade. If you think the Quest 3 was impressive, or if you thought Apple's Vision Pro was the final word in high-end spatial computing, you are completely unprepared for what is coming next. To understand why the Quest 4 is causing massive panic among its competitors, you have to look at what is happening under the hood. The heart of any standalone headset is its silicon. For years, Meta has relied heavily on standard mobile chipsets adapted for VR. But the Quest 4 changes the game fundamentally. Meta has been working on a highly customized architecture engineered specifically to handle massive spatial environments, real-time AI processing, and photorealistic graphics simultaneously without melting the device on your face. We are talking about a computational leap that bridges the gap between standalone mobile hardware and high-end PC VR. Imagine playing heavily modded, AAA quality games with zero latency, entirely untethered, anywhere you want. This processing power doesn't just mean better frame rates or fewer jagged edges on your screen. It changes how the headset perceives your room. The dynamic room scanning is now so fast and so precise that the boundary line between your physical furniture and the digital world completely dissolves. But power is nothing without clarity, and this is where Meta is aiming directly at Apple's throat. The displays inside the Quest 4 are rumored to feature a radical shift in panel technology, pushing resolutions to a point where the human eye can no longer distinguish individual pixels. The dreaded screen door effect is officially dead, but the real magic isn't just the pixel count, it's the optics. Meta is introducing advanced, ultra-thin pancake lenses that eliminate internal reflections and glare entirely. When you put this headset on, you won't feel like you are looking through a pair of goggles at a screen. It will genuinely feel like looking through a clean pane of glass into another dimension. The brightness levels are engineered to mimic natural sunlight, meaning when you look at a digital fire or a bright outdoor sky in VR, your pupils will react naturally. This level of visual fidelity triggers a psychological response in your brain known as true presence. Your mind stops treating the image as a video and starts treating it as an actual physical space you are occupying. And yet, visuals are only half the battle. The most terrifyingly brilliant feature of the Quest 4 is how it watches you. The eye and face tracking technology have been completely overhauled. In older headsets, eye tracking was a luxury feature meant for expensive enterprise models. In the Quest 4, it is the core foundation of the entire user experience. The headset tracks the micro-movements of your pupils with millisecond accuracy. It knows exactly what you are looking at before you even consciously realize you focused on it. This enables an advanced rendering technique where the headset only renders the exact spot you are looking at in absolute flawless detail, while blurring